Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, my love.
Oh, thank you, my sister. I love you. I love you too. This is so beautiful.
Hey, your candles.
Hi, honey. Thank you so much.
Blow up the candles. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're so sweet.
We have a big surprise for you downstairs.
Oh my God, I knew it.
Easy, easy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Where is the surprise?
Gift is inside.
Wait. I know you.
What? Inside, my love.
Sister, your gift is inside.
No, I mean the birthday surprise you told me about. Where is the birthday surprise?
My love, come on. Let's go inside. Don't spoil the fun.
Your surprise is inside, sister. Just come inside.
Sorry, you mean you did not buy a car gift for me? I mean, you did not buy me a car today being my birthday? So what surprise are you talking about? Where is the surprise?
Sister, just come in. You see it is inside.
It's inside. I cannot wait to behold. I shall behold. So this is it. This is the birthday surprise that my husband has for me. This is it. This is the rubbish. A piece of flour and drinks. That is what my husband is giving to me on my birthday. This is it.
Sister, what is wrong?
Shut your mouth. I don't understand all this. Let me ask you a question. What do you take me for? How do you take me? Am I a side chick or what? I don't understand it. I am your wife. And this birthday didn't come up all of a sudden. Of course not, it didn't. So you couldn't prepare something meaningful for your wife. You couldn't prepare an expensive surprise for me. Look at the birthday. Look at it. Look at the nonsense. Look at the rubbish you brought to me and you're telling me that you have a surprise for me. Chime, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Sister, what is all this? What is wrong with you?
Don't you ever speak. Don't you. Balderdash.
I'm so sorry, sister. Just calm down. What's all this? What is it? What is all this? It's okay, just calm down.
What rubbish!
What was the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of what? I should be asking you what was the meaning of that shameless display you portrayed when I was sleeping. You woke me up announcing a birthday surprise. I thought it was something meaningful. But alas, it was just a piece of cake. A common cake. Same cake cake you gave me last year. Same cake you always gave me while we were dating. What is the meaning of this nonsense? I will wait a cake. Eh? What is this?
This is unbelievable.
You are the one that is unbelievable. What is all this? Are you not supposed to be my husband? Can't you treat me with love? What do we call this nonsense? What happens to a trip to Sun City? What happens to a trip to Dubai? What happens to a car gift? Treat me like your wife. I deserve to be loved. What is all this nonsense? Every day you give me flowers, you give me cake. I am tired of it. I am tired. Nonsense.
So, all of that is now the yardstick to measure love, right?
Just take this nonsense out of my sight. Take all of them out of my sight. You are no good husband.
Sorry.
Every now and then, you give me cake. All my birthdays, about 5 birthdays right now, it's been cake. I came into this world to eat cake.
What nonsense is this? Oh God, what is this? God, I'm so sorry. God, I'm so sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
Madam the vex, Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan, Oga Nairak. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, onike afu. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fight for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, he they confused. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, onike afu. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, onike afu. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, onike afu. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, onike afu.
What is it?
You were way out of line on this one.
Who sent you?
Who sent me? Nobody sent me. I just think I should do the right thing.
Kate, you are not married yet. This is my husband's house. When you get married, you can handle your home the way you so please. But right now, allow me to handle mine. Do you understand that?
But your attitude is something else. Your reaction is not it at all. I didn't expect you to behave that way.
Can you get out of my sight? Like right now? Can you? my door! Nonsense. Cake again?
Women. What do they really want? Huh.
Hey brother, what up?
Oh.
You look terrible. Hope you're cool.
My G, one of my clients like that just got me angry. So I'm just here to cool off my head instead of, taking the anger back to my wife. What's up with you?
That's nice. That's nice. It's nice. Instead of you taking it home to bag your wife, so you have to cool off here, right? By the way, how did your wife's birthday celebration go?
Well, yeah, it went well, though we have a couple of dancing fun time, but celebration will come much later this week.
Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. I can see you enjoying yourself.
Okay, may they bring you something to drink now?
Okay.
May they bring you something?
Come on, brother, I just want to take anything. I don't feel like drinking. Practically, I'm here to discuss something with you. There's this business I just discovered. And I was thinking you would love to partner with me so we can make it huge.
What kind of business?
Importation of oil. Listen, this is crude business, brother. We make huge millions from this business if we buy from this new company that is looking for buyers from Africa.
I don't understand. Isn't all this foil they are using to tie my money?
You get it right, brother. They were using the fast food. Yeah.
Foil?
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, we'll have a drink later this week too.
So you're in, right? You game? That's my brother.
Sure.
That's my brother.
May they bring you something now.
Don't
Guy,
worry, I'm okay,
calm down. You dey do like pastor. May you take something now. May you do alright. Guy, come.
Alright, no problem.
Good afternoon, sir.
You know my usual name. You know my drink.
No, sir, I don't know.
This is a new guy.
Guy, you don't know.
So I know say they change drink and you know get one.
I don't change my brand. Ask that fair girl to give my brand. Ask that fair. Wow.
Wow, I didn't know that foil can be this lucrative,
Brother, you won't believe it. I just discovered it and it's the new business at hand now. The new business in town.
That's how someone told me that toothpick is lucrative too.
I've not heard of that. Can you please buttress?
Yusuf, calm down.
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam na Iran, Oga na Iraq. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh yabo. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, he they confused. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh yabo. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war Dikeh house on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start.
Hey.
But that is bad. I want to open the door for him.
That is bad. I want to open the door for him. Onyomemeka, take yourself inside the house. I say carry yourself inside the room. Let's go mad kachinch. Oh, that is bad. You want to open it. Rubbish. He's going to remain. You're calling me. And put that fire today. You're going to remain there. Now, Paul.
Madam the vex, Oga don't charge. Madam na Iran, Oga na Iraq. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh. Madam de look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, he dey confused. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh. House on fire.
I've been nothing since, even calling on the phone.
I've been in my room. I was sleeping.
Instead of you being in your room, that's why you...
You opened the door.
I did.
You did.
I couldn't let him sleep outside.
Kate, did I not tell you not to open the door for him?
Sister, I couldn't let him sleep.
You couldn't give me. Can you imagine? Also, I couldn't let him sleep outside. Now listen to me, Kate. Listen to me. This is my husband's house. The next time you interfere in our matters, you have to leave this house at once. So, I told you what to do, and you went and did another thing. Meaning what? What do we call this? I mean, what is the meaning of this nonsense? So you feel you can go out, get drunk, and then come back anytime you want, right? A married man. Hi! Ifele me boy. Jim asked me, Ifele la chao. Now listen, the next time this repeats itself, you will sleep outside. You must have to sleep outside. Rubbish. I am not a backing dog. I am talking to you and you're ignoring me. I am giving you correction on what you're doing. You're ignoring me, Chima. You're ignoring me, Chima. Right?
Please. I don't have strength. Is there any food in this house? Just give me. I'm very hungry. Please.
So what I'm saying doesn't make any sense. You want to eat. And where do you think you're going? Watch him. You are not going anywhere. You're going to sit down right here. You cannot walk out on me. You have to sit down. Sit down here. Don't put that. And we couldn't be able to get you. What would you say? You're going to be there. Okay.
Please, leave me alone.
Him I need it drunk. You don't have any single straight in you. I'll just put you palm Ada. Just respect yourself.
Leave me
alone.
Leave me.
Come and leave.
Leave me alone.
Papa, no. Papa. Jimmy, you're walking out on me. Right? You cannot take simple correction. I don't understand all this. You expect me to keep quiet? For what? I will not do. I will do no such thing. Because this is my husband's house. You cannot continue to behave like this. Makachineke, if you were to be a child, I would have flogged the living daylight out of you. It's okay now. Will you shut up? See, if you put your mouth in this matter again, I am going to slap you for the second time. In your bag, get.
Can you get me something to eat, please?
You want to eat? After you must have gone out to drink yourself to stupor. You are coming back to ask for food. Nonsense. Rubbish. Before you know it, you start carrying all these prostitutes on the road. Sister, it's okay now. Stupid girl. What is the meaning of that? You cannot joke. Chile. Rubbish. A man you are, but you cannot stand up to your responsibilities. Even where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until you tell me why you have to drink. Okay? Even the Bible says it. You go out and drink. You're not going anywhere.
Will you stop? Stop! Oh, yes?
Hello, sir. Hello. Yes. The Commissioner of Works is here, sir.
Yes, I'll be there shortly. Give them something to drink.
Okay, sir.
Oh, yes, I heard he likes African movies, okay? Tune in African Magic, huh?
Okay, sir.
I know, just keep them busy, be diplomatic, huh? Alright.
Alright.
Who does that? With all the federal government contract your husband gets all the time. The only thing you could afford to give to you on your birthday is just mere cake. A piece of cake for that matter. With the drinks lined up on the table pretending to be a romantic husband. Yeah. My dear, what happened yesterday showed me that he's not just stingy, but also a wicked man. But I'm telling you, my sister, I am out to deal with him. I will so deal with my husband. I will so deal with him.
I support you. I support you, my sister.
That's so unfair. I mean, me personally, I can't even take it.
I'm not taking it though.
I am not. But don't worry yourself. I'm taking this vengeance bit by bit. I am taking it bit by bit. And by the time he comes out of it, he will be the shadow of himself. Stupid man. You will hear this course.
Kate!
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan.
Why is the door locked?
I don't know, I've been in my room.
Where's your sister?
She went out.
She went out with the key or what?
No.
Ha! It better not be what I'm thinking of. It better not be what I'm thinking. Come on, how we are.
You can imagine. Stupid man. He goes out, gets drunk, then returns to the house to turn me into his punching bag.
What?
actually beat me up.
It's a lie.
Huh. I'm telling you the truth.
He dare lay his hands on you?
He actually did. But don't worry.
Hey!
A payback is coming.
Why didn't you break his head? Oh, he's calling you.
My dear, he will call and get tired. I will never pick this phone. No work for him today.
Good!
Rubbish.
Stupid man.
Very stupid.
But babe, you are evil.
But we are same.
Evil.
We are birds of the same feathers. We actually flock together.
Is she not picking your calls?
She's not picking my calls, though. How can I be locked up in my own house now? What do we call this madness? Please, can you call her, please? Huh? What nonsense now?
Secretary, why is your boss keeping me waiting? Huh?
I'm sorry, sir.
What kind of thing is this? If it's not ready for this date, you should have let me know. Why waste my time? I have more important things to do. What exactly is the problem?
Sorry, sir. I believe he's just stuck in traffic.
So?
He'll be here soon.
He better be.
We're sorry, sir.
Nonsense.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, sir. Sir, the commissioner is angry already.
I'm coming, okay? Just keep them busy. Just look for a way to keep them busy. I'll be there soon, eh?
He's angry. Where are you?
That's exactly what I'm saying. Just keep them busy.
The commissioner is angry already, sir. He wants to leave. Hello, sir. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello, sister? Hello, sister?
Hello? What is wrong with you now? Why would you lock the door now? Are you out of your mind? For Christ's sake, I have an important meeting with the Commissioner of Works. Why would you lock the door and leave with the key?
I got him. He has a very important appointment with the Commissioner of Works. He's going nowhere. He's going to be stuck in there.
Good.
Rubbish.
Good.
He had the nerves to lay his filthy hands on me.
Good.
Hello? Hello?
Did she hang up?
Your sister is looking for my trouble. This is an expensive joke.
Brother, please calm down, please.
This is...
Let me try number again, please. Just calm down.
She's mad. She's raving mad.
Right now, you have him on the testicles. Crush it, girl.
My dear, I am going to hold it so tight until it gets busted.
Good.
Rubbish.
Squeeze them really hard. Nonsense. How could you do a thing like that? Just relax, I have it. Hello?
Hello, Norma.
Good morning.
Norma, please, can you kindly tell your friend to come and open? She locked me up!
Ivy. What happened to her? Oh my god.
She locked the door and left with the key.
No. She's not in my house.
That's exactly what I'm saying. I have an important meeting.
What? No. That's not fair. That's not fair. How could she do a thing like that? Knowing fully well you have an important meeting.
What What do you want me to do now? You want me to miss $1 million contract?
You know what? Relax. I will just try to call her now. I'm just waking up, but I'll call her now.
Just call her! Call her now!
Okay. Bye.
What do we call this now? I have to break this door. I said the devil is...
Drama queen. You know, at some point I was wondering if I was here with you. You can act though.
Before.
He has not even seen anything yet.
At all.
He hasn't.
Oh.
Stupid man. Very stupid.
You know, at some point, your puppy was almost crying about his multi-million contract.
That he has lost already. Stupid man.
Oh. I was like, just hold on, let me call her. Please do call her.
Stupid man.
Rubbish. It's not only call.
Tell your boss I said he's not a serious human being. Okay? This is absolute nonsense. Yes. How on earth could he keep me waiting for this length of time? What nonsense?
I'm sorry, sir. It's traffic.
Whatever. I'm out of here. Nonsense. Let's go.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
I'm coming, okay? I'll be there soon.
He just left.
Brother, what is it? Brother, what happened? Brother, what happened? What is it? Brother, what happened? Talk to me. What is it? Brother, what happened? Brother, what is it? What happened? Just talk to me, please.
Is Claude there with you? Okay. See, I'm at number 5 Williams Road. I need you two to come here. Just come here now, but hang around. And the two of you should come here now. Okay. No problem.
It's been a long time now. I came back not too long ago. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before leaving. I'm sorry about that.
have an unfinished business, that's why I came back. I'll be back soon though. Hi, Skinny. I'm really sorry I left without telling you, honestly. If not for this issue, I wouldn't have.
Jesus!
I'll call you back.
Rita!
The question should be, how did I find you? And this time, I came fully prepared.
You came with those guys outside?
And they're ready to kill you if you do anything stupid. Mel, where is my 7 million?
Rita, please try to understand me. Please, life has not been fair with me. Okay?
Where is my money? I want it here and now. Or I should call them to come and burn down this place.
No. You just have to exercise a little patience. Okay? Please.
Did you just say patient?
Yes, Rita.
Melvin, you don't even know what I went through in the hands of those animals. I was raped. I was humiliated. I went through hell. And you're here giving me crap about patience.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. From my heart, deepest part of my heart, I'm so sorry. But you know what? Just give me 1 more week. 1 more week, I'll provide you 7 million naira. I promise you this. Just 1 more week.
You better be serious this time.
I am.
You better be serious this time.
I'm serious for now. I'm serious.
Melvin, 1 week.
Okay.
Not a day extra.
Okay. 1 week.
Better be serious. I'll be watching you. My boys will be watching you.
Hello. It's me, Mel. Yes. I need your help. I need your help. I need some huge amount of money. Yes, someone is trying to kill me. I need some money. No, it's not kidnapping. It's just... hello? 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 Hey! Okay. Hey, this guy caught his call on me. My guy caught his call. Busy. Hey! Busy. Hey, it's ringing. Chime, I need your help. Biko, no, I need your help. You are busy. You will call me back. Chime, please call me back, please. Biko, call me back. I'm on a taxi. Call me back. Chime, call the call. Hey, Chime, call the call. Who can I call now?
Brother, don't you want to eat your dinner now? I hope you're fine.
Where are you coming from?
And what did that one start? I mean, what sort of question is that? Where am I coming from? As what?
What sort of question is what? So you didn't see my missed calls? Huh? Do you realize how much I lost today? Do you realize how much I lost today because of your stupidity?
What is my business on how much you lost?
Sister, what is wrong with you?
Will you shut that mouth of yours and allow me to talk to my puppy?
What? What did you call me now?
My puppy?
I don't want to see you in this house again. Try me. Stupid.
Hey! Jimmy slapped me. Jimmy raised his hand against me.
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan, Oga Nairak, Oga slap on a duam.
I need to end this now. I need to tell her that I'm her husband.
Operation Show Pepe, Operation Show Pepe.
Sister, what you did today was not right. Have you forgotten where we're coming from?
Will you shut up? Just get out of my sight! You were here when he slapped me and you did nothing! You never knew what. Is this slap he gave to me? If you don't want me to give it back to you, just take yourself out of my sight now. Go! I can't see no JD. I can't see where JD.
Get out.
No, remember. Okay, please don't shoot. Brother, please, I beg you. Brother, please.
Get out!
Brother, don't shoot. Brother, don't shoot. Brother, please, I beg you, don't shoot. Brother, please don't shoot.
Love don't finish, war don't start.
If I see you in this house again, you're dead.
Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga he they confused. Madam Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe.
Let's go inside.
Hey! Wakama case well.
He's troubled.
He almost shot me.
What do we do now?
Jimmy has changed though. See, I can't go inside the house now.
Okay, fine. Just wait. Let me go talk to him inside.
Stay, wait here.
Yes,
I won't wait here. Okay.
Love don't finish, war don't start. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start.
Brother, please forgive her. Please, forgive her and let her in.
Don't even say that. She is going to sleep outside.
But I don't give the devil a chance. Just keep that gun away. Please. Please. Forgive her.
Don't bother about the gun. There's no bullet inside. I just wanted to scare her. Silly.
Hey! Oh, go to Liko Mbaduka. What is going on here? Eh? Chime. Okay, Pina Baroa. So I am not enough for you. What have you been telling my sister? So this is what has been happening under my nose in this house. Go away. Okay, Pina Baroa. You've been sleeping with my sister in my house. Even in my mochimone bed.
What are you talking about?
Will you shut up? What kind of nonsense talk is that? So you are here to sleep with my husband. First thing tomorrow morning, you are leaving my house.
Are you mad?
What
Are you mad?
You're the one that is mad. Don't tell me that nonsense. Eh?
Are you... Who opened the gate for her?
This is my husband's house and this is my husband's house.
I told you that you are going to sleep outside.
Oh, my God, go outside. Let me go outside. Can you away my sister? Can you away home my sister? It is not done. Hey. Okay, go be what?
Get out.
Listen, okay, go be what? Come on, be God help. Don't get me to. Yeah, okay, but I'm working on. But I'm working on now, buddy.
You are not scared of my gun and my bullets.
But I can't say it. Why? Kill me and go to jail. Whoa. Can I hear? Nonsense. Hey! So this is what has been happening in this my house. Okay, I can't correct. Ask for you by my mama. And then. Hey, Kate.
Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan. Oga Nairak. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House
Why are you chasing out of me now? What did I do to you?
You're asking me stupid questions.
Why are you treating me like this?
When you get to the village, tell Mama what you have done.
What did I do?
Since you cannot keep these 2 legs of yours at a place.
Stop accusing me. Stop accusing me. What is it now?
Who's accusing you?
You're accusing me.
I brought you into this house, Kate, and I have every right to send you out whenever I want. Do you understand? Take this miserable bag of yours out of my house.
Stop accusing me. What's all this? Hey! Why are you treating me like this?
I am sending your concubine away. What do you have to do?
Stop accusing me. Stop accusing me. Stop accusing me.
Oh, you are still talking. Thank you. Oh, brother, thank you. Listen, let me tell you. I don't know whatever I see you are doing with her. You see this girl? I brought her into this house. And I have right to tell her to leave my house. If you insist that she is not going, then I will leave. I will. If I wasn't doing why taking my sister name. When you get to the village, you tell Mama what you have done. What did I do to you?
What did I do to you? What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
Stupid idiot! You came into my house to take over my home, okay? Then you cannot keep your Odogu one place. Igani him, my sister. Okwagi? Igasia, Ikayapta. Nonsense about this.
Proper mad woman.
Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan. Oga Nairak. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Ani afu. Onyike afu. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter. He they confused. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Onikeago. House on fire.
That was how I lost the contract I've been seeking for more than 5 years now.
I'm so sorry about that. But I believe God Almighty will give you a bigger contract.
My wife has changed. She is no longer the woman I married.
Would you believe I invited her to my house? Begged her for over 4 hours to go and open the door for you, but she blatantly refused.
You did?
Of course. I went on my knees begging Ivy. Can I tell you something?
Go on.
Please, promise you won't tell her.
No, I won't tell her.
I know you won't believe this, but it's the truth. Ivy said she doesn't love you. But please, don't go home and start beating her or sending her away. I'm very sure she'll go on her own. You know, we still have single ladies like us. Yeah, who can take proper care of you. Single ladies like us.
Hey, just stop. Stop, please, just off, please.
I don't know if you saw, I don't know if you get what I was.
Please, just calm down, okay? Use that. That's how you open it, from there. Look, from there. Yes, exactly. Take.
You mean I should go?
He said terrible things about you, and I begin to wonder when you've changed.
Please, if I may ask, what exactly did he say about me?
He does not enjoy you on bed, and he's looking forward to the day you will leave his house so he can get himself another woman.
Hey, Chime said all this to you?
Sure. You say more that I cannot even tell right now.
I am going to teach him a great lesson. Chime opened his mouth to spew nonsense about me.
Ivy, please, no matter what, do not tell him I told you all this. Okay? Even just behave as if you didn't hear anything. My advice for you is to get a life and be prepared for his separation. All I want you to do for yourself is to get yourself a single man that will give you happiness. And talk about happiness. I can make you happy, you know.
How do some women think? Why would a normal think she can ruin my family with her small brain? But I made a mistake. I would have recorded that conversation. I should have recorded the conversation and let my woman know the kind of friend she's dealing with.
This is our first step.
Second step, rather, my baby. Do you know that I lied to him about importations of fuel? Listen, once this game play very, very well, everything just enter at the same time.
Then we will leave the city.
That's my baby.
You know what? We're not going to allow them know that we are together. Ivy and her husband must not know by dating.
Good idea. That's right. I like that. You're always brave.
You know your baby.
My love, please. I want us to forget about everything that happened within the week and move on. We are bigger than all these things, please. You know I love you.
Please do not touch me. Don't. I am good the way we are, and I'm sure you like it like that because that's exactly what you want. Don't come to me with that holier than thou attitude of yours.
My love, you know, sometimes things around us may tend to break us, okay? But the ability to be smart enough to abscond from those things that makes us one. We are bigger than all these things, like I said before. We shouldn't let all these things break us down. Remember what we promised each other on that altar. We said for better, for worse. Please.
Story! Emetunam. Jide ihe ọma gị ka njide nke m. Emetunam. Leave me.
Ihe ọma gị bụkwa nke m.
Oboze. Used to be. Mana I am going to starve you. Jide nke gị ka njide nke. Don't abekwa na nso. See. Hold your, be in your space.
Wekwa no nwayo. Ihe ọma nkwa ka ekwukwala ogbe.
Ka ekwuru ogbe na neti anya. In neti anya. When was the last time you performed your husbandly duties well?
Me.
Well, there are so many ways that you can perform your duties. Open just say, and they take care one after the other, step by step. Have you ever performed it sequentially? Even more, Igwa. Have come back.
Excuse me. Remove your leg, I want to mop the floor.
Hey, so because you want to mop the floor, you can't even say, please remove your leg, I want to mop. You're shouting! Come on, remove my leg.
Remove your leg, I want to mop the floor.
I cannot please remove my leg. Husband of mine. Mop it like that. I just know why I'm doing this. Jimmy, what just happened? You moved my expensive slippers, my designer slippers with your leg. I am talking to you and you're still mopping. You moved it with your leg. Oh, I'm talking to you. Oh. So this is what you want to, okay, you want to mop, right? You want to mop, right? Mop, mop the ground.
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan, Oga Nairak, Oga slap on a duam, like a bumble. Madam Matona ratatatata.
Just look at me. Look at what these useless people did to me. Just, can you imagine? Hey! Ndiakuri. Before Chime got tanatafo. I won't take it easy with them.
Sorry.
I will never take it. I just feel very sad and broken.
Thank God you came back alive.
If not for Chime, you would have died in there. Because that is useless auntie has already taken the matter to court. If for that woman, I would deal with that woman.